Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Element Messenger profile picture step by step. Updating your profile picture makes it easier for friends, teammates, and community members to recognize you in chats, rooms, and contact lists. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Once you're on the main screen, click or tap your profile icon to open your account menu. Next, select Settings or Profile Settings, depending on the version of Element you're using. Navigate to the Profile section, where you'll see your current profile picture or avatar. Now click or tap your existing profile picture and choose Upload Photo, Change Avatar, or a similar option. Browse your device, select the image you want to use, and confirm your selection. If cropping tools are available, adjust the image so it looks the way you want before saving. After uploading the new picture, click Save, Update, or Apply if prompted. Wait a few moments while Element synchronizes your updated profile across the Matrix network. Depending on your home server, the new image may take a short time to appear everywhere. Finally, open one of your conversations or ask a friend to confirm that your new profile picture is visible. If the old image is still displayed, refresh the app or restart it to force the latest profile information to load. And that's it. You now know how to change your Element Messenger profile picture and personalize your Matrix account with a new avatar. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next